7 years ago, I had a finance degree, worked in banking, and could calculate compound interest in my sleep, but I was completely broke. And here's the brutal truth I learned the hard way. Being financially educated and being financially literate are two very different things. You can know all the formulas, all the theories, all the rules, and still struggle financially if your habits don't support what you know. Today, I'm sharing 9 stupidly simple habits that completely changed my financial life. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why so many Americans stay broke even when they know better. Let's start with the most important habit on this list, and one I desperately wish someone had told me earlier. For years, I was spending money on things that didn't actually matter to me. I bought clothes I rarely wore because I thought that's what successful people did. I went out for expensive dinners just because everyone else was doing it. I paid for subscriptions and gadgets I barely used because I thought I should be enjoying them. But here's what nobody tells you. Your money should reflect what you care about, not what society, social media, or peer pressure tells you to care about. I did one simple exercise that completely changed how I viewed money. I wrote down my top 5 priorities in life: spending quality time with people I love, staying healthy, learning new skills, achieving financial freedom, and building meaningful experiences. Then I pulled up my bank statements from the last 30 days and compared them to that list. The disconnect was shocking. I was spending hundreds of dollars on things that didn't align with any of my priorities, and barely investing anything into the things that mattered most. That moment was uncomfortable, but it was also empowering. So I flipped the script. I started directing money toward my actual priorities. I spent more on books and courses that helped me learn. I invested in better food and a gym I actually used. I consistently invested for my future, and I spent intentionally on experiences with people I cared about. Here's the weird part: I felt richer, even though I was spending about the same amount of money. The difference was that every dollar now had purpose. This isn't about restriction, it's about intention. Here's what you can do today. Write down your top 5 life priorities, the real ones. Then look at your last 30 days of spending. There will be a gap. Closing that gap is where real financial literacy begins. This habit alone will immediately make you feel wealthier because you stop wasting money on things that don't improve your life. Habit number 2 is a total game changer: the monthly money date. Once a month, block out 30 minutes. Just you, your laptop, your bank accounts, no phone, no distractions. Most people go months or even years without actually looking at their finances. They just hope things work out, then wonder why they're always stressed about money. During my money date, I do 3 things. First, I review my spending from the last 30 days. Where did my money go? Any patterns? Any subscriptions I forgot about? This alone has saved me hundreds of dollars. Second, I check my progress toward financial goals. Am I saving consistently? Investing regularly? Is my emergency fund growing? This keeps me accountable. Third, and this is the most important part, I set one focus for the next month. Not 10 goals, just one. Maybe it's saving an extra $200. Maybe increasing investing by 1%. Maybe cutting takeout by 20%. When you try to change everything at once, you change nothing. One clear goal keeps your brain focused and motivated. This 30-minute habit has done more for my finances than almost anything else. Schedule it right now, last Sunday of every month. Call it whatever you want. This alone will put you ahead of most people who only look at their finances when there's a problem. Before we continue, let me pause for a second. If this video is already changing how you think about money, hit the like button. Your like isn't just a click, it helps this message reach more people who need it. And if you haven't subscribed to Finance Flash, join us. This channel is about action, not theory. Your support helps us grow and reach more people ready to change their financial future. Habit number 3, automate everything possible. Let's be honest, managing money manually is boring. And when something's boring, we procrastinate. Automation removes willpower from the equation. Automate your fixed bills right after payday: rent, utilities, insurance. Automatically transfer money to savings the same day you get paid. Even automate recurring necessities. Before automation, I meant to save every month. Then life happened. Unexpected expenses popped up, and savings disappeared. Automation makes the decision once and protects it forever. The best part: mental freedom. You stop worrying about due dates and transfers. Start small, automate just $50 per paycheck. You'll feel immediate relief. Habit number 4, start investing early, even with small amounts. Waiting until you have enough money is one of the biggest mistakes people make. Time matters more than amount. A 25-year-old investing $100 a month can outperform a 35-year-old investing double because compound growth needs time. Start with low-cost index funds that track the overall market. You don't need to pick stocks or be a genius, you just need consistency. If you want help, I'm hosting a free investing workshop that walks you through exactly what to invest in, how to choose the right strategy, and how to avoid common mistakes. The link is in the description. Habit number 5. Learn one thing, implement one thing same day. Most people consume financial content endlessly but never act. Learning without action is entertainment. Pick one thing from every video, article, or podcast and implement it that day. Open a better savings account. Increase retirement contributions by 1%. Check your credit score. Small actions done consistently build massive momentum. Before this video ends, decide your one action today and actually do it. Habit number 6. Stop avoiding conversations about money. Most Americans don't talk about money even though they know it's important. I used to avoid it too. But once I started having open, respectful conversations, everything changed. Talk to friends. Talk to your partner. Ask questions. Share experiences. You'll learn faster, avoid mistakes, and realize you're not alone. Start small. You don't need to share exact numbers, just open the door. Habit number 7. Reframe delayed gratification. We live in an instant world, but wealth is built slowly. Investing used to feel painful to me until I reframed it. I stopped seeing it as sacrifice and started seeing it as paying my future self. Visualize your future life. What does that version of you need? Saying no now becomes an act of self-respect, not deprivation. Habit number 8. Invest in your skills. The best investment isn't stocks or real estate, it's you. Skills increase earning power forever. A $500 course that adds $1,000 a year to your income is a phenomenal return. Be intentional. Choose skills that move the needle. My rule: if I can't explain how it benefits me, I don't buy it. Skills can't be taken away. Markets fluctuate. Knowledge stays. These 9 simple habits can transform your financial life. Wealth isn't about intelligence or luck, it's about habits. Small changes done consistently create massive results. As we move into 2025, pick one habit and implement it today. Not tomorrow. Today. Thank you for being part of the Finance Flash community. If this resonated, subscribe, like, and comment which habit you're starting with. We're not just watching, we're taking action. Your future self is counting on you. I'll see you in the next one.